founding Lucyelec Test Equipment Limited Company is an authorized leading company specialized in supplying and export of various petroleum and electrical testing instruments imported in China. Engaged in this field since 2015, we have exported to many countries, for example, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Pakistan, Indonesia, South Africa, etc. Associating with original factories, focus on strict quality control, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Now, Lucyelec has established a stable product chain to meet a diverse range of customers' requirements. The wide range product line is including transformer oil tester, petroleum analysis instruments, transformer testers, high voltage tester, and more electrical testing equipment and tools, which are widely used in electric power, petroleum chemical, railway, and construction industry. Striving for diversified test and measurement instruments, professional technical support, and experienced export services. Lucyelec sincerely looking forward to your cooperation.